Dr. Donna Miller at Creekwood Dental Arts. Last fall, we purchased a 3D printer to use for different options in our dental practice. We first have printed models. You scan a patient's mouth with our scanner, and then you can print models over their mouth to be able to work with, to send to the lab and whatnot. So that has worked out very well. We've also used it in printing a model and then waxing up to the changes that we wanted to make so we could make sure that it was going to look like we wanted it to. We've made mouth guards for people using a printed model and then printing them on the printer. So that's worked out great. But this last week, in fact yesterday, Dr. Green printed a mask for me. This is somewhat akin to the N95 mask that you've been hearing about on TV. We printed the outside, then we added a filter, and then customized the inside to exactly fit our face so it wouldn't leak. So this is what it looks like. So we are very happy we have a 3D printer.